Hey everybody, this is Chris from the SUMURI software team, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about a new plugin that is coming to RECON Lab called the Daily Out plugin. And the Daily Out plugin is essentially a new feature that is automatically parsing a macOS native logging utility called the daily.out. And the purpose of the daily.out is essentially to track the allocation of data across external volumes. So this could be a super useful artifact specifically for cases involving things like data exfiltration. So basically trying to prove that a user has moved data off of either a company device or their personal device onto external media. So this can be a super useful artifact for that because you can visualize and see how the usable data on an external volume has changed over time. So to get started, either navigate to the plugin selector after configuring your images and adding all of your file system modules. Or if you're already in a case and you haven't run the Daily Out plugin yet, then go up to the top where it says Process and hit the Run Artifacts button, and you'll get to the same menu, the plugin selector. Now go ahead and scroll down to D, and you'll see the new Daily Out plugin right here. Once you hit start, it'll go ahead and automatically process it, and since it's just a text file, it honestly shouldn't take too long because there's not too much to keep track of or anything. And after that, in the sidebar, you'll see the artifacts drop down, and you'll see the system drop down, and finally you'll see the Daily Out plugin. So if we double click on this, it'll go ahead and show us our automatically parsed results. You can see that there's quite a bit of information that's being presented here. So not only do we have the disk identifiers, the total size of the disk, but we also have the used and available size on the disk. So we also have this timestamp right here that'll show us when this record was essentially created, and then we also have the mounted point, which can also tell us the volume name of the volume that it's referring to. So in this case, we see that there was a volume named Camp 128 that was attached on April 4th and had a total used size of 22 megabytes. And then we can see that the same drive was connected on April 7th, but had a used size of 36 megabytes. So we can see that there was some sort of interaction with about 14 megabytes of data that did not originally exist on the drive the first time it was connected. So this can be a super influential artifact and can really help put the final nail in your case that you would need in order to reinforce your case opinion, and can actually just be really helpful all around. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, then definitely feel free to reach out to a member of our team, and we would be more than happy to help you guys out. Once again, thank you much for watching, and remember to subscribe.